Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. I will take you back at the beginning of this month, current month, July. So this is a 4-hour chart I made on June 28th, and it was sitting on the price was sitting on this TL, just like right now. Again, the price is touching the TL. I will show you that at the end. And if it bounces on the TL, then it can fly big time. So let's get started from here that, what happened to this chart. And I'm going to just show you quickly all those charts that's going to happen. So it bounced and then it dropped again here. So I said it's going to bounce again from this TL. So it started to go. And this is the 1000 big size Renko chart that I made for to make the entry and precise setups, right? Small setups. So this is, like I said, wave one, and this could be wave two, either here or here is going to bounce to the upside, and it did. So it started to go up, and then here I changed my stance, and then I said, okay, there's a chance that it may drop first here and then go to the upside, right? Because it already posted a reversal candle, a couple of red candles. So I said, well, this could be like A, B, and then C, it can come to 78%, which it did. And it came down here. And then from here, I made the chart again that it's going to go to the upside from this area, which it did. So much so, right? So it went all the way to the upside. And when we were going to the upside, and then all the way here, I said, okay, maybe this is the end of the road, and we're going to drop here. And we did. So this is how the drop came. And well, this is the first one of the trade when we were coming down. This is one of the trade I took, and then this is another trade that I took when it was coming down, and it ended up like this. In fact, it came down all the way here. Let's see. You see that? Well, not now, but if it went up from there a little bit to the upside to this area, and then I said, well, now it's going to come down as A, B, C correction in three waves for wave two. And then it came down here nice and clean. And coming down, I had this trade, and I think I had another one. No. So that was the one. Then again, I said we're going to go to the upside, and it did all the way to the upside here. And the chart that I made that is going to go to the upside was the same. See this one? I said it's going to drop here and then go back up. So coming down, I took the trade and then it went up, just like I said that it's going to go up all the way and then going up. This is the trade. And there is another one, I guess. No. So it started to drop from there. And this is the short. Now, my entry charts are 150 box size and this 200 box size. So they show me the way pretty good. Then this is the chart I made later on that when it was all the way here, it is A, B, C. It's kind of like wave one and wave two from 78%. And going to the upside, beautiful trade for 210 pip, as well as, well, see, it started to go. See, from here to here, I had that trade for 210 pip. But it went all the way to the upside more at this location, just like what happened before, right? So it maybe before that. So I said, okay, it's gonna either drop or go to the upside. This time it didn't drop, but it went straight to the upside. Look, see that? Oh well, going to the upside, I had this trade, and the chart ended up like this. That trade and this trade going to the upside. Beautiful trade, 450 pip, right? And that chart turns like this all the way there. This is what I said. Let me go back and show you. This is the chart I made, and it went up, and I had two big trades, this one, and ended up like this, right? Then I made the chart that is going to drop, and it was on the 21st, right? Last week, last working week. So it started to drop, and my take was that it may go down here and then bounce, but it came down all the way into this area. Watch. And then coming down, I had this trade for 300 pip, and I had this trade go to from 200 box size chart. That's 350 pip. That was 23rd. This is 24th, and this is 25th. From here to here, it's 280 pip again. And that chart ended up like this all the way here. And this is the chart I made on Friday, at the very end. But notice that I said that a triangle completed. What triangle? We don't have a triangle here, right? So what is happening here, we can see on a 4-hour chart and this is the 4-hour chart. See, this is what's happening right now. We have three in it here. Then we have A, B, C, D, E. Beautiful triangle by the book completed here at point E. And that's what exactly this point E is. This is it. So I made the chart that's going to go up. Let's see what happened this week. This is the 4-hour chart. Beautiful triangle setup. And let me show you the daily chart. Whoops, it's not here. Okay. Daily chart that I made today. I didn't add here. Let me show you the live daily chart. And daily chart look like this. See how beautiful it is? Beautiful, TL touch, exact clean touch, and then trying to bounce. Now, it may have a chance to go down, but that the thing is that this chart only will work only if this TL hold. Right? If we start to drop and then break below the TL, then the different story, right? So all depend on the fundies, what kind of fundie we get, right? So if we get, fundies in favor, then we will be bouncing, and then make sure that we go above 33.40, and above that, I will be looking for long again. All right, so this is what I think that is going to happen. Second choice, obviously, if it's not going to go up, then it's going to go down, right? What else? So, but like I said, the TL is the key right now. And let's see that if we can break the TL and then go to the upside. What the heck happened here? My chart got messed up. I got to fix this. I reopened the computer and this is what I got, right? No problem. So here, so this is for the 4-hour chart. It's a little bit, expanded. Daily chart, but they'll expand it and it's like a 4-hour. Actually, contracted, right? So, yeah, E is the end of usually 5 legs. The triangle have 5 legs. That's A, B, C, D, E, and that's completed here clearly. So let's see what happened, right? And like I said, that I have, my Renko chart is already there as well. So this can go easily, even if need to come down. Let's say if price want to go below the TL on the 4-hour chart, but they're not gonna go like straight line in a straight line, right? It's a pretty big drop here. So even before going down further, it may be going back up for like maybe 50% or 61% retracement. So that's what I strongly think that it's going to bounce from here and then go there. And then again, the same scenario that either it's going to drop, make a harmonic pattern and then go up, or go in a straight line. That would be like a couple of choices at this point here. Right. So for now, I'm bullish here and it's going to bounce from here. 33.40 is right there. And even above 33.31, if I find a long entry from my 150 box size chart, Renko chart, I will take it. And then we will take it from there. And then I'll take my trades and I'll show it to you. So if you're interested in getting the system, if you like the system and that the trade I took, you want to repeat those trades, then go to my website and subscribe. You have a lot of things here. Monthly subscription or a yearly subscription. One-on-one coaching is here. If you want to learn the whole trading business from A to Z, become expert of trading, then you want to take advantage of this monthly subscription. One-on-one coaching, right? That's 10-hour course over the Zoom, where I teach you almost everything: a harmonic pattern, Elliott waves, trend line, channels, SNR levels, Fibonacci, how to use Fibonacci extension, expansion, retracement, and come up with this perfect analysis, technical analysis, and then take these trades, right? We have combo deals here, then you can choose from. And this is right now, for example, the best deal is this. Everything I have 1 hour, 10-hour course, coaching, one-on-one coaching, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, CTS 7, the new version of my robot that takes the trade automatically. That is what it is. And I'm also making one. It's not done yet, but it's because it requires slight changes in this to work with Go, like stop loss and all of that. So I'll make that separate, add into there this combo here, right? And then USD Yen momentum EA, it's only for USD Yen and MT5. You can use that. So it's the part of this deal here, and lifetime membership for all of these for this, right? So this one, combo two here, combo one here. So whatever you like, whatever you need, you can just sign up and then start trading just like us. All right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to sign up for this Telegram right here. The sign. This is a free Telegram, not the paid one. All my paid subscribers go into the other Telegram where I post current setups. Like, for example, today I'm going to post late in the evening, I'm going to post some new setup for the London session and for Monday. Like a 40-minute chart, my setup, 40-minute chart setups. And then from there, we take the trades, right? And similarly, like gold chart. Gold, I always make the video public and then, so that the people can take advantage. Or all the other Forex pairs and all of that, I made the charts and I post on that other Telegram. But this is a free Telegram where I post updates that what is happening and what happened and, what chart I showed and what was my prediction and what really happened so that you will know exactly how we are trading. So you want to be a part of it. And then you can come on my website and sign up for whatever you need. All right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel as well so you can get my videos on time and you can take advantage of these setups. All right. So bye for now and have a wonderful Sunday left over and the weekend. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.